Have you ever wondered if a pancreatic cancer diagnosis is always a death sentence? It's one of the most feared phrases in medicine, but what if the truth is more complex and more hopeful than you've been led to believe? Let's face it, the statistics are sobering. Pancreatic cancer has one of the lowest survival rates of any cancer type. But here's the thing, statistics are not destiny. They don't tell individual stories, and they are already starting to change. Imagine catching it early. When pancreatic cancer is found at an early, localized stage, survival rates are significantly higher. This is why awareness of silent symptoms is so critical. It can buy the most valuable commodity, time. But how do you spot something that's often called the silent killer? Look out for unexplained weight loss, abdominal pain, or changes in stool. These might seem like everyday issues, but they could be your body's way of sounding the alarm. Did you know that treatment is evolving rapidly? Newer, more targeted therapies, improved surgical techniques, and better supportive care are helping patients live longer, fuller lives. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. Picture this, a patient who was given months to live, now years later, sharing their story of hope. It's happening more and more, thanks to these advances. But here's where it gets really interesting. A patient's overall health, age, and response to treatment are huge factors. This is where warriors fight back. With nutrition, fitness, and a strong support system. Have you ever thought about the power of your daily choices? Eating a balanced diet, staying active, and managing stress can all play a role in how your body fights cancer. It's not just about medicine, it's about empowering yourself. Imagine a world where pancreatic cancer isn't an automatic death sentence, where early detection and cutting-edge treatments give patients a fighting chance. That world is becoming a reality, but we need your help to get there faster. This is why we fight. This is why we spread awareness. Share this video to bring hope. For more information on survival and living with this disease, subscribe to Pancreatic Cancer Warriors. Remember, knowledge is power. The more we know, the better we can fight. And every day, we're getting closer to turning the tide against this formidable foe. But let's dig deeper. What exactly makes pancreatic cancer so challenging? It's often diagnosed late because symptoms can be vague or non-existent in the early stages. By the time it's caught, it may have already spread. However, here's a ray of hope. Researchers are working on new screening methods. Imagine a simple blood test that could detect pancreatic cancer before symptoms even appear. It's not science fiction. It's the future of early detection. And what about treatment? Gone are the days when chemotherapy was the only option. Today, doctors are using precision medicine. Treatments tailored to the genetic makeup of each patient's tumor. It's like having a personalized battle plan against cancer. Have you heard of immunotherapy? It's revolutionizing cancer treatment by harnessing the power of your own immune system to fight cancer cells. While it's still in its early stages for pancreatic cancer, the potential is enormous. But let's talk about something often overlooked: quality of life during treatment. Advances in supportive care mean that patients can manage side effects better than ever before. It's not just about extending life, it's about making that life as full and comfortable as possible. Did you know that clinical trials can offer hope when standard treatments fail? They provide access to cutting-edge therapies that might not be available otherwise. For some patients, these trials have been game changers. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the emotional toll of a pancreatic cancer diagnosis. It's normal to feel scared, angry, or overwhelmed. But here's the thing: mental health is just as important as physical health in this fight. Imagine having a team of professionals, not just doctors, but also psychologists, nutritionists, and social workers, all working together to support you. This holistic approach is becoming more common and can make a world of difference. What about the role of family and friends? A strong support system can be a powerful weapon against cancer. From helping with daily tasks to providing emotional support, loved ones play a crucial role in the cancer journey. Have you considered the power of connecting with others who are going through the same thing? Support groups, both in person and online, can provide invaluable advice, comfort, and hope. Sometimes, just knowing you're not alone can make all the difference. Let's talk about lifestyle factors. While they can't prevent pancreatic cancer entirely, maintaining a healthy weight, avoiding smoking, and limiting alcohol consumption can reduce your risk. It's about stacking the odds in your favor. And what about after treatment? Survivorship is a journey in itself. Regular checkups, managing long-term side effects, and adjusting to a new normal are all part of life after pancreatic cancer. But many survivors find a new appreciation for life and a desire to make every moment count. Did you know that pancreatic cancer research is advancing at an unprecedented rate? Scientists are exploring everything from targeted drug therapies to innovative surgical techniques. Each discovery brings us one step closer to better outcomes. But here's the thing. Research needs funding. By raising awareness and supporting pancreatic cancer organizations, you can help accelerate progress. Every donation, every shared post, every conversation about pancreatic cancer makes a difference. Imagine a future where pancreatic cancer is no longer a dreaded diagnosis, but a manageable condition, where patients have multiple treatment options and long-term survival is the norm, not the exception. That future is within reach, but we need to work together to make it a reality. So, what can you do right now? Start by educating yourself and others about pancreatic cancer. Know the symptoms, understand the risk factors, and don't hesitate to talk to your doctor if something doesn't feel right. Consider volunteering for a pancreatic cancer organization or participating in fundraising events. Your time and effort can make a real difference in the lives of patients and their families. And remember, hope is a powerful thing. By sharing stories of survival and progress, we can change the narrative around pancreatic cancer. We can offer comfort to those facing a diagnosis and inspire others to join the fight. This is more than just a battle against a disease. It's a movement to rewrite the story of pancreatic cancer, to turn fear into hope, and to save lives. So, let's spread the word. Let's fund the research. Let's support the warriors. Because together, we can change the future of pancreatic cancer. Are you ready to join the fight?